Welcome back, gearheads. Today's code is P0343, a camshaft position sensor error that could throw your engine out of sync. We'll break it down in 5 minutes, what it means, what causes it, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. What is P0343? DTC P0343 means the camshaft position sensor, CMP, for Bank 1 sensor 1 is reporting a high voltage signal to the ECU. This sensor tracks the position of the camshaft so your engine knows when to inject fuel and fire the spark plugs. A high input usually means the voltage is above the normal range, typically over 4.5 volts. Symptoms. Here are the common symptoms. Check engine light, always triggered. Hard starting or no start at all. Rough idling or engine hesitation. Decreased power or poor throttle response. Possible stalling when driving. If the cam sensor is off, engine timing can't function properly, and that means trouble. Causes of P0343. Several things can trigger this code. Faulty camshaft position sensor. Open circuit or short to power in the sensor wiring. Corroded or damaged connector. Low battery voltage or charging system problem. In rare cases, a faulty PCM or ECU. So while the sensor is the likely culprit, always inspect the wiring first. Diagnosis and fix. Let's walk through the fix. Step 1. Use a scan tool to confirm the code and freeze frame data. Step 2. Check the electrical connector, look for bent pins or corrosion. Step 3. Test the sensor with a multimeter. You should see 5V reference, ground, and a signal wire. If the signal wire is spiking or stuck high, replace the sensor. Step 4. Inspect the wiring harness for damage, especially near hot engine parts. Step 5. If needed, replace the camshaft position sensor, clear the code, and test drive. That's everything you need to know about P0343, camshaft sensor high input. Hit like if this helped, and be sure to subscribe for more quick code breakdowns. Got a tricky DTC? Leave it in the comments.